in 2007, after the general election, when Patrick Manning would have felt that he increased his political stock in the parliament and that he had now 26 seats and that he was in control and he could have done what he wanted, he started to attack the Oilfields Workers Trade Union. He started to attack the Petrotrin workers. He started to attack the Kiantech workers. We stood outside the Whitehall. This union, the Oilfields Workers Trade Union, let me remind the country that we stood outside Whitehall and we said, Mr. Manning, a term is for 5 years, but you don't have to stay 5 years in office if you continue to attack workers and working people. More precisely, if you continue to play a want to attack the Oilfields Workers Trade Union. And comrades, the rest is history. We made good on our promise. We made good on our promise. And so today, you have Rudy Munilal, who claimed to have represented the farmers. Yes? Today, he is against the very farmers. And with a level of arrogance, comrades, you see there's something with power. And comrades, do not talk about power. He talked about power. There's something intoxicating about power. Yes? And that power, once in the hands of those who do not care for the people, those will be exposed immediately once you give them that power. Because you see, it was the same Munilal, again, I am going to remind him and the country, that came to WTU, that came to fight on. All you want, yes, vote for me, vote for us, we will set you free. We will ensure that Labour be placed at the center of development and look around with all this nonsense talk. Let me say something to Winston, you had better listen. You had better listen to the cries and the pleas of the workers and working people in this country, because you will get absolutely no opportunity. As good as your policies might be, and we even question that, you will get absolutely no opportunity to implement that policy. And as I talk about that, let me say immediately, this government, I want to say it publicly, this government have absolutely no plan, no different plan for the economy of Trinidad and Tobago. None. And where you will get it, the only place you will get a different economic plan for the country, for Trinidad and Tobago, is talking with the labor movement, the progressive labor movement and workers in this country.